disasters. Jivan, give me the name of 2 natural disasters. What we learned in the last class.
Ma'am.
Name 2 natural disasters.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, tornado.
Tornado, and then
Ma'am, earthquake.
Earthquake. Okay. Ryan, other two natural disasters. Ryan, tell me other 2 natural disasters. Where are you? You were there, no? Ryan, can you tell me which are the other 2 natural disasters?
Can I say? Ma'am, can I say? Ma'am, can I say? Srihari. Felix.
Jenica, tell me the name of other 2 natural disasters.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, wildfire and tsunami.
Okay.
Ma'am, I got
one more, Jenica. One more, Jenica.
Can I? Ma'am, excuse me, landsliding.
Okay. Yes, Hyra, tell me.
Cyclone. Ma'am, I got some more.
Flood. Okay, flood.
Ma'am,
Okay.
can I say?
Everyone down, mute it. Whoever I ask only you should answer. Others no one say. Okay. Okay, children. So we are learned that many natural disasters are there.
I have some more.
So now we are moving on to the next one. So we were talking about the wildfire, and India, which state is having highly what you call tend to have highly tend to have is Uttarakhand. Uttarakhand, it have got a 20,000 in India, 20,000 wildfire, maybe small and big altogether. And in the state of Uttarakhand, around 1,600 wildfires in 2016. Okay, so 2016 is the maximum wildfires happened in single state. So that is our Uttarakhand. So Uttarakhand also prone to cyclone, Himalayan tsunami, and flood landsliding. Snow sliding, the snow mountain will be melted.
Snow slide.
Yeah, snow sliding.
Ma'am,
Snow mountain. We call it, it is as snow storm. Snow storm, they call it. And also another name of melting. In Himalayan tsunami. You just keep quiet, man. In between, don't talk. So all that, this is a 1,600 fires in Uttarakhand. Okay. And now recently, because of the global warming, wildfires are very common across the world. Everywhere we are having wildfires. And you know who will be affected more? Animals.
Human.
Yeah.
Animals
and plants. Trees, all the plants. When forest started decreasing, naturally what will happen? It will affect us also. Nowadays, you must have read the newspaper. So many elephants are always coming to the villages now. Before and all, the elephants, the wild elephant, they don't come to the
last time there was a fire and a lot of
in today's news it showed a tiger came to a village.
Yeah, nowadays what is happening?
Tiger went to Bangalore.
Now can you just
months before
enough now. So children, what is the reason behind it? You must have searched so many newses like that. Nowadays wild elephants are coming, wild pigs are coming, lions and tigers are very common in the human land. That is wherever the people are living, they are just coming. And they are doing so many things because the reason behind it that they are losing their shelter because of the natural disasters. The forests are getting smaller and smaller. They lost their shelter, so they come to the people's place in order to fetch the food. Okay, because they are not getting in the forest because of this continuous natural disasters which is taking place. So a wildfire burns out of control and threatens people, buildings or resources. and it give a lot of damage to it. So that is a something disastrous. And what are the causes of wildfire? This is already everything you have. Some of you already presented in the seminar. I am not going for more.
Ma'am, causes of wildfire. Can I say?
Anyone take your notebook?
Srihari?
Can you write this causes of wildfires?
Yes.
Write the heading, children. Next heading, causes of wildfires.
In lecture, not right.
Yeah, in lecture note. Okay.
Can I say one thing, Riza?
And here you are having 3 points over there. Here you can write down. First one, the causes of wildfires. There will be a positive causes of wildfires. There will be a positive effect also, negative effect. But usually we have more positive negative effect. But still more positive negative effect. But still, yeah, some problem with the board. Okay. Yeah. Problem with
Not
the
with the board itself. Not with the board itself.
Everyone, can you mute now? The first thing, first causes is lightning strikes. Some echo is coming, no? I don't know why it is coming.
Ma'am, it's from Sarah. It is automatically unmuting, ma'am. Sarah's audio is automatically unmuted. Yeah, I am sorry. But I am getting slightly annoyed.
Srihari and just mute it, everyone. Sarah, mute it. Srihari, mute everyone. Sarah, mute it. Srihari. Okay, the first one, lightning strikes. And second one, and human negligence and vandalism. I'll tell you what you mean by it later.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Sarah, can you mute it? It's a lot of disturbance coming. Yeah. So now no echo, I think. See, echo stopped when Sarah you muted, so echo stopped. Otherwise, the sound is echoing like anything. Okay. So all of you just write the first word. In the bracket, don't write. Okay. I'll explain to you each one. Lightning strikes, human negligence and vandalism. Sarah, can you unmute? Mute your audio, Sarah.
So we should not write the bracket.
No.
Ma'am,
Sarah, why I'm telling to mute it? Because from your audio, there's a lot of disturbances coming.
ma'am, what does mean by?
Yeah, I will explain, Tanvi. Can you just write what
Ma'am,
I
can
underlined?
ask one doubt?
No doubt now. You first write now. No more doubt. No more doubt.
Oh boy.
First you understand what the teacher is telling, then you write. Sarah, you can't understand to mute your audio.
It is automatically unmuting. Ma'am. I saw some not
Ma'am, it is automatically
touching the screen even. She is automatically unmuting only.
Well, let her join again. When she rejoin, her network will be okay.
Who told?
So one is lightning strikes. Second, human negligence and vandalism. I'll tell you each one, children, please write first. In the bracket, don't write. Okay, only that particular name what I underline, you write. Number 3, vegetative fermentation.
Ma'am, what is that human
Negligence.
What is the meaning?
I'll explain to you. First, you write that. Human negligence and vandalism. That is so we can say it's a social words, what we mainly use.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
One day I scrolled and I saw that elephants wouldn't be there after 2022, and after that, is it true?
And maybe because we all are killing the elephants. That's the reason.
Really, after that, 1 week later, I saw in newspaper that 10 elephants died by wildfire.
Maybe.
But
That can be happen. That can be happen. Continuous forests are catching fire, and naturally all the species will
I
over.
really love elephants.
So vegetative fermentation. Okay. Shall we now discuss the first one? What do you mean with lightning strikes? You see, children, during the rainy season and thunder season, you know already, there will be some lightning. What is the lightning actually? The lightning is the production of heat and current. So lightning is the production of heat and the current in the air. Current in the air. Because of the current is produced because of the clouds. During the rainy season, the clouds will rub against each other. As a result, there will be some current.
There will be kinetic energy that will cause heat.
So, and while they rubbing, see, everyone please rub your hands now. You will able to see what is
There
happening.
will be heat.
Yeah. Can you see?
That is kinetic energy.
See,
yes.
Your hand is now lot of heat energy. So this is the same thing is happening during lightning time when clouds due to wind, they rub against each other, just like our hands. Okay. Then what will happen? There's a lot of heat energy is produced, and that heat energy will be traveled in the form of light to the earth. So see, now you are just rubbing your hands. Now was it is too hot. So just imagine when these huge clouds, they are rubbing each other, and how much heat energy they produce. They will produce a large amount of heat energy.
Ma'am, I know how to explain the heat of the light.
Don't explain now. You don't require.
Ma'am, I just want to say.
No, Srihari, you mute it. So large amount of heat energy produced. When this heat energy produced, what will happen? There is also will be light is coming. So that light is seen in the form of lightning. Okay. And when there is a rain is there, through the water droplets, this heat, the light will be reached to the earth. Sometimes if there is no rain also, lightning takes place due to friction. We call this rubbing. We call in physics a word friction. Okay. So this is you are going to learn in 8th standard, the word friction, and you will be learning little more detail about how does lightning occur. So to now I don't explain that because some of these things may not able to understand. Yeah, may not able to understand by some of you. So I don't go for it. That's why I told Srihari not to explain now, because that's not the basic of your studies. So you will when this lightning comes, what happens? The dried leaves in the forest catch fire.
And
So
dry lightning.
Yeah,
And
dry
dry
leaves. Every time it is not necessary there is a lightning. It is not necessary there is lightning. Sometimes due to hot sun, especially in the summer season, wildfire is very common. You see, in summer season everywhere it is dried and very hot. And sometimes the sunlight directly can burn the dried leaves. So that is the reason, one reason of wildfire. That happens naturally. No one is responsible for that type of wildfire. Now I come to the second part, human negligence and vandalism. So vandalism is a political word. Okay, only for your knowledge, you don't have to study that. But human negligence, of course. See, some of you during the seminar conducting, you have told some reason. Human negligence means the human being is not taking care of the forest, so they are doing some kind of mistake, and that is making them to catch fire.
Ma'am, can you scroll a bit down?
Navaneet, can you tell me which are the things made by human to catch fire?
Ma'am, some people will.
Some people will. They will throw the
fire in waste. But some but the sparks will go to somewhere and it will spread.
Okay.
What?
Okay. Okay. Risa, can you explain again? Okay. Thank you, Navneet. You muted. Risa, can you explain?
Some people will smoke and put the cigarette halfly only dried and in leaves or somewhere in the forest, and it will catch fire and it will spread out
Okay.
and
That
it
is
will
one.
make a wildfire.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Other.
the campfires.
Okay. Siddhi, next reason. One is
And
cigarette.
campfire.
Campfire. Okay.
Some people
Srihari,
will
campfire.
forget to put off the camp.
Yes.
Forgot.
Okay. So these are the human negligence means for this all type of act what humans do. That generally we call the English word negligence. That is, you are not taking care of it. You are very careless. So those who are smoking and all, they just throw it because they are very careless. So that is the word mean negligence. Negligence means you are not taking care of something. You are just loose type. You are not bothered about others. You are not thinking about others. You just live your life. That's the word negligence. So one of the negligence, human negligence, is that some of them are throwing the cigarette pieces. And naturally, when the wind blows, this cigarette, half burned cigarette, started lighting the fire, and it will catch the fire, the dried leaves. Second case, what Siddhi told her, Srihari told her, campfire. Sometimes the picnic people, even the people who live in the forest, by mistake, they put the fire and they forget to put out the fire, they go to sleep. Then naturally what will happen? Slowly, due to wind or something, the spark from the campfire will fall on the dried leaves and it catch fire.
Can you scroll it a bit down?
Okay, it catch fire. Okay. Next negligence, what it is that?
Vegetate.
Yeah. Negligence means
Fermentation.
near the forest. You may be, you have the houses and all. Sometimes you are burning some straw. Maybe you are cooking some food. The people who nearby forest. And by mistake, what will happen? By mistake, they forget to put off the fire, and from that cooking, where their food is cooking, from there, the wind can carry the spark, it can fall into the nearby forest. Okay, that way also it catch fire. So this is human negligence. Now another thing is vandalism. That's a political word. This is, you don't have to study this, but so I'm telling you what you want. Some people, no, they're bad people. For the fun, what they do, they will just destroy the forest.
Yes.
They enjoy.
Deforestation.
Yeah. No, deforestation means we are cutting the trees and all. This is some of them. What they do, maybe some rabbits or something is trapped in the grass. In order to get them, they will put the fire around it. Then what will happen? Rabbit who is hiding over there, because of the fire, it will jump out of its shelter, and by that they can catch the rabbit. So some of the people, for their entertainment, they'll just, for their something, they will just do, and they will not put out the fire. Bother about. They will not. That is purposefully, some of them. And some of the thief or some of the terrorists and all, they will purposefully will create the fire in the forest. Then what they will do? Then the police, forest range office,
Yes,
those who are protecting, yes. So those who are protecting the animals, these people, they will go behind this wildfire, no? By the time the poachers,
The thief will go and escape.
what do you mean by the poachers? Poachers,
yes, ma'am. They are the people who kill animals,
yes.
like rhinos for their horns.
Yes. So these people are the one, we are vandalism. That means to catch the elephant, to catch the tiger, and all. Some of the people, some of the people purposefully, they will put fire in one places. Then this forest police officers will run to that particular spot. They will be
and at that time they can kill and escape.
Yes, correct. in that time they will be indulging in putting out the fire. These people will be killing the elephants,
And
tigers, and because this elephant's trunk, you know, trunk is very
Oh,
costly.
that
It
is
lasts
very
of
valuable in the black market.
valuable, not black market. Foreigners, they like all these things, and they also the tiger skin. You know the tiger skin.
Ah,
Tiger
they
a
are,
coat.
ma'am,
Ma'am, a coat.
it
Ma'am,
will
also
be used
bear's
as a
skin.
coat.
yeah,
And bear's fur
Yes.
we will use as leather.
yeah. They
Ma'am,
make the costume.
Bear's
Yeah.
fur.
Ma'am,
They make the costume out of it. Clear?
Yes.
Ma'am, some poachers,
Mm.
they will kill rhinos for their horns.
Yes. Yes.
Because their horns are very valuable.
And
So
also
prevent
elephant's horn.
to prevent the zoos, no, the national park and all, right, they have rhinos. So to protect their rhinos, they will use a saw chain and cut their horns and cover it with a layer of tar.
Okay, okay. So children, all these things are there. So these are the people who purposefully destroy the fire for some reason. Okay, that is vandalism. Last one, vegetative fermentation. Vegetative fermentation is this dried leaves, they undergo decay. The leaves which is falling, they undergo decay. When they undergo decay, there will be some amount of heat energy produced from like cow dung and
Yes.
have you observed cow dung and the straw?
Yes.
The straw, paddy, the dried paddy, if you keep it put in one places, after some time it started decay. It started decaying, you must have observed a smoke is coming out of that decayed part. So that
Yes.
smoke also causes the wildfire.
Why?
Okay.
Why?
Why? So that is known as fermentation, vegetative fermentation.
Oh.
Some of the dried leaves, when they decay, they in the forest, no, it is falling down. No one go and clean the forest, no. It will
Yes,
be there for many days, and slowly it will start to decay. When it is started decaying, it will produce a heat energy from their body. It goes upward. When it is moving upward, it creates the spark due to wind and it catches fire. So leading to spontaneous, that is the word we call combustion. combustion means burning. It's a chemical word. Combustion means burning something. So spontaneous combustion are possible, and sometimes the wildfire may not that much serious, but still they can make the forest to catch fire. Yes. So this is the reason. Now come to the thing, essential ingredients of a wildfire. So we learned what is the causes.
Oxygen and fuel.
Yeah. Can you write the heading, children? Essential ingredients or
And the fire
components.
triangle.
Yeah. That
The
is a
fire
fire triangle. Yes.
Heat, oxygen, fuel.
So these are the some of the severe wildfire which occurs in some of the places, various places. You can see the picture. One picture, it is just like fire is just like a volcano, no? It's catching the fire. Then there are so many foreigners. Foreigners, they are watching that one full mountain area is under fire. They are watching that smoke is climbing. And next is some fire force people are coming and trying level best to save the nature. So
And the foreigners.
what do you mean by combustible material? So another word in your book is given fuel. Fuel
only.
combustible material.
Combustible material.
That is all the dried leaves which is fall in the forest, no? That
Yes.
yes. So that is the fuel and combustible material.
Ma'am, dried leaves of the trees or dead animals' bones
everything.
get
Yes,
buried
yes.
and it produces some fuel.
Not fuel, my dear. That is our petroleum. Our petrol and diesel is coming
Yes,
out of this
yeah,
dead
that's another
decayed
fuel.
animals.
That's another fuel.
So petrol and diesel we are getting from where? From
Ma'am, the
Yes.
decaying
Petrol
of
and-
animals.
From the decaying
Petrol is
animals.
also inflammable, right?
yes, of course.
Ma'am,
Animals,
can you show the
plants.
heading?
No wonder they are called fuels.
Yes, of course.
Ma'am, can you scroll a bit down?
Yes. So, dead and decay animals and
Sorry, a
plants
bit
produce
down.
fuel. Okay, produce the fuel, or we call it as a combustible material.
Ma'am, can you scroll a bit down?
1 minute, 1 minute. It is
going up.
moving. It is going up. That's why.
Yeah,
Should we write that
that's a mind of
petrol?
it.
No, I will
should we
give
write
you.
that
I will give you the definition of the not petrol. I'll give you definition of the fuel. Petrol is one of the fuel what we get out of
Yes,
it.
sir. Should we write that?
I will write. I will give you the proper. Okay. Now you only write that essential thing, and also completed. You can write what do you mean by fuel. Fuel means
I did not complete petrol.
okay. Okay. Don't
No
write
need to
the
write
same
that.
thing. Don't write petrol. You just write fuel instead of petrol. And same thing. It produces
Should we write combustible?
Combustible material, yeah.
fuel, and you write
Ma'am,
And can I
excuse
write
me,
it in
ma'am.
the bracket as fuel?
yes,
Excuse me, ma'am.
yes.
Ma'am, the essential components that is fuel, oxygen, and heat, right?
Yes.
So why it is like a combustible?
Yeah, it's
material?
another word of
Combustible
fuel.
material is fuel.
Fuel. That's the name of the fuel. Okay.
Combustible
Okay, ma'am.
means inflammable, right?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
So it is another word for fuel. Combustible material is another word of fuel. Okay.
Fuel.
Yes. So we call petrol, diesel, kerosene, all these things a common name, that is fuel.
Fuel.
So, and fuels are, what are the fuels? They are the combustible
And we will
material.
say,
And what is combustible material? I am writing there.
instead of saying like cola,
Combustible
saying a-
material formed from dead.
Excuse me, ma'am. Petrol or
Wait.
combustible
Can you
material.
just write what I am writing now? Fuel or combustible material
like coal.
formed from dead and decaying
And we can say
animals.
fossil fuels also, right?
Yeah. Animals, plants,
Fossil
And-
fuels.
and marine species. Oh, this body is moving up every time. Marine species. Marine species means even from the seashore and or sometimes
Fish. And aquatic animals.
aquatic animals, sometimes due to tsunami and all, they will die and come to the shore. Okay. So they
And
also
like whales bodies most
yes,
of the
yes.
time.
Whale,
Come
shark
to
and all
shore.
sometimes come to
And
the
whale bodies
Yes,
will
ma'am. Yeah, we should never go near a whale's dead body.
yeah.
They will explode.
So all these are included when during tsunami, flood and comes. These things are very common. Animals die and come to the shore, and it will turn into a combustible material fuel. And what is the example of this material? It will
Ma'am,
turn
whale.
into petrol, diesel,
Ma'am, petrol, diesel, coal,
kerosene,
coal.
coal,
And we can say it as fossil fuels also, right?
coal,
Fossil
and then
fuels we can
we
say,
also
right?
will have CNG, that is compressed natural gas, LPG, liquefied petroleum gas.
Yes,
These
ma'am.
all are produced from the single
Indian
fuel.
LPG.
Yeah, all these are coming from this fuel. Combustible
Ma'am.
material means petrol,
Ma'am,
diesel,
for coal.
kerosene, coal, CNG, LPG.
Now, for
And
coal and all, we
generally
will
what
say it
we
as
call-
fossil fuel, right?
Generally, what we call for all these things together, fossil fuel.
Fossil fuels.
All this petrol, diesel, everything we
Yes,
call it
ma'am.
fossil fuels. So this is one of the reason to catch the fire in the forest. There will be dead animals and all there because they are not like a human being. No, if they're dead and go, no one go and look at them or no one go bury them. Correct? In the forest they
Yes,
will die.
ma'am.
And they'll be
Yeah.
turned into combustible material. So sometimes this material catch fire during the summer season. So that is the reason. So for catching fire, essential condition is one is fuel, or we call it as
Fuel,
combustible material.
combustible material,
That
heat,
is
and oxygen.
heat and oxygen. Oxygen is present in the air. Why
Air.
the wind? Why the wind is causing the fire? Because in wind there is air.
Oxygen.
Air there is oxygen.
Oxygen.
That's why.
Oxygen, carbon dioxide.
Yeah.
Later.
Okay, children. So for today, I wind up the session now. So I am going to take attendance now. I don't know how many were present. Srihari, Siddhi, Janvi. Okay. Diya, Rudra, Niranjan, Ruza, Haira, Adidev, Aditi.
Ma'am, what is the
Maria,
meaning of CNG?
CNG, compressed natural gas. Avantika, Sarah, Maria. Because whenever from the decay animal, I told you, some smoke like things.
The gas.
It is a gas. It is the gas. Sometimes you will get the bad smell from the dead bodies. That's
Yeah.
actually the gas which can catch the fire. Avantika, Manchima, Navaneet, Manas Ojas, Mayuk, Ran, Danvi, Glenn, Izan, Ryan. Okay. Someone is Unnimaya. Unnimaya, not it come.
Tanvi present.
Unnimaya is many days did not join.
Ma'am,
Hrithvi
Don't ask.
Hrithvi also is not there.
Prithvi has
And
a very serious
Nasriya
severe
present?
fever.
Okay.
But now she
Tanvi present.
Okay.
Ma'am, Tanvi present.
Okay. Okay, children. So I ended the session. Bye bye.
Janika present.